Maggie had always been a fiercely independent cat. She had never been one for cuddles or affectionate gestures, preferring to keep her distance from her human, Rachel. But on this particular day, Maggie seemed to have a change of heart. Rachel had been diagnosed with a rare form of cancer, and the prognosis was not good. She knew that her time on this earth was limited, and she was determined to make the most of the time she had left. As she sat on the couch, lost in thought, Maggie jumped up and settled into her lap, purring contentedly. Rachel was surprised but pleased. She stroked Maggie's soft fur, enjoying the warmth of the cat's body against hers. Maggie seemed to sense that something was wrong and wanted to offer comfort to her beloved human. As the day wore on, Maggie stayed glued to Rachel's side, only leaving to eat and use the litter box. Rachel found herself smiling more than she had in weeks, grateful for Maggie's unexpected affection. But as the sun began to set, Maggie's behavior became more urgent. She meowed loudly, nuzzling Rachel's face with her head. Rachel could feel the cat's desperation, but she didn't understand what was wrong. As the night fell, Rachel began to feel unwell. Her breathing became shallow, and she struggled to keep her eyes open. She realized with a jolt that this might be it. The end. As Rachel drifted off, Maggie curled up next to her, her tiny body radiating warmth and comfort. And there she stayed throughout the night until Rachel took her last breath. Maggie remained there, next to Rachel, for hours after she passed. It was as if she knew that her human was gone and that she needed to stay close. Eventually, Maggie was coaxed away by Rachel's family, who had come to say their goodbyes. In the days that followed, Maggie was inconsolable. She searched the house for Rachel, meowing pitifully. She refused to eat or drink, and her once shiny coat became dull and matted. But then, one day, Maggie jumped up onto the couch where Rachel used to sit. She curled up in the spot where Rachel's body had been, and to everyone's amazement, she began to purr.